India has handed over military equipment worth $5.5 million to the Sri Lankan army to support its United Nations peacekeeping deployments. The U.S. Department of Defense has announced that the U.S. Indo-Pacific Command has been renamed to its pre-2018 title U.S. Pacific Command. Hyderabad-based Thanos Technologies has successfully demonstrated the in-flight test firing of an AK-47 rifle integrated onto an unmanned aerial vehicle. Hyderabad-based Drogo Aerospace has delivered the first batch of 41 JK-250E surveillance drones to the Indian Army under a 72 crore rupees contract. The Indian Army's Fire and Fury Corps has inaugurated an integrated drone training and virtual reality observation post lab at 4,500 meters in Ladakh. Kalyani Group has introduced another Paramount Group-designed 4x4 vehicle for the Indian market named Simha 4x4. The Indian Air Force's base repair depots are undertaking a major program to indigenize spare parts for the Su-30 and MiG-29 fighter jets in collaboration with private industry to reduce dependence on foreign suppliers and improve fleet availability. Around 10 Indian defense companies have submitted bids for the Indian Armed Forces 30,000 crore rupees program to procure 87 indigenous male drones. The DRDO has issued a tender to develop an advanced AI-driven image processing and battlefield surveillance system capable of image restoration, object detection, target tracking and automated threat classification. The Indian Navy and Solar Group are exploring a naval version of the Indigenous Bhargavastra counter-drone system for frontline warships. The modular system will be capable of firing up to 64 guided and unguided micro-interceptors capable of engaging drone threats out to 6 kilometers that will provide a cost-effective defense against swarm attack, while reducing reliance on expensive surface-to-air missiles. Naval Limited has rejected recent report by Bharat Shakti surrounding the Suryastra rocket launcher system, calling them inaccurate and misleading. Bharat Shakti reported that the 300 km Predator Hawk rocket broke apart within 15 km of launch during trials last month, while the company stated that Suryastra meets all Indian Army technical and contractual requirements, and was procured under the Ministry of Defence's Emergency Procurement Framework approved by the DAC in January 2026. The company also denied claims that Suryastra is merely an assembled foreign system, highlighting its 200-acre defense manufacturing complex and its indigenous integration ammunition production and rocket component localization capabilities. Safran has offered local assembly and production of the Rafale's M-88 engine in India, as part of Dassault Aviation's MRFA bid for 114 fighters. Industry sources indicate the engine could achieve 60% indigenous content, comparable to the ecosystem developed by Hindustan Aeronautics for the AL-31FP engines powering the Su-30. Supporting 114 Rafale would require around 228 M-88 installed engines, plus an additional 10% to 15% spare engines, taking the total requirement to around 250 engines. Today's top 3 comments.